Hello everyone, I'm Sneha from Sedamal Engineering College and I'm pursuing Electronics and Communication Engineering third year. And my project title is Smart City Waste Management System with Connected Trash Cans from IoT domain. We are 4 in a batch and I'm the team leader and my teammates are Mahashri, Pavitra and Soumya. Now let's move on to the project. In the current time, the immense growth in a population creates unhygienic environment for the citizen of a society with respect to waste generation. This rapid generation of waste leads to various infectious diseases in the environment. For this, we are implementing Smart City Waste Management System with connected trash cans for monitoring the level of waste inside the bin. This is the library functions for Wi-Fi and WhatsApp client. For ultrasonic distance sensor, we are using two library functions, ultrasonic and ultrasonic sensor. These are the credentials from IBM Cloud. By using ESP32 and ultrasonic distance sensor, we are going to detect the level of the trash can. ESP32 is a popular Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled microcontroller widely used for IoT projects. ESP32 performs a complete standalone system. An ultrasonic distance sensor is a sensor used for detecting the distance to an object using sonar. With the help of the sensor, the level of trash can be filled by detected by measuring the distance from the lowest point of the trash to the highest point of the trash. Now we move to the connection. VCC pin is connected to the input pin and ground pin is connected to the ground pin, and trigger and echo pin are connected to the pin number D2 and D4. Trigger pin acts as an analog output for the sensor. They ensure whether the electronic waves are released into the air, and echo stands for digital input. It receives the waves that were released earlier after hitting the object. This is my information about my project. My device ID is 12345 and my device type is Smart Bin. In recent events, I can get the values from WalkMe. When I started running this, it is connected to IBM Watson IoT platform. Now the distance is 357. This data is loaded into IBM Watson IoT platform. Let me check. Here you can see the distance is 357. When I reduce the distance to 2, we can see the distance 2. Now I move to Node-RED connection. This is my Node-RED connection. Here IBM IoT is connected to debug for dustbin and message. And message is connected to status and debug. Dustbin is connected to dustbin level and debug file. Dustbin level is used to detect the trash can level. Status will display the status of the trash can level. In message, we have some code. If the distance is less than or equal to 2, it will display as bin empty. If the distance is greater than 300, it will display as bin full, or else it can be displayed as bin can be used. Here we can see the output. Here the distance is 2, so it will be displayed as bin empty. When I increase the distance, here the distance is 357. Distance 357 and the status will be displayed as bin full. When I decrease the distance to 155, we can see the distance is 155 and status is bin can be used. In dashboard, we can see the output. Let me check. Here you can see the distance is 155 and the status will be displayed as bin can be used. When I increase the distance to 357, in Node-RED, it will be displayed as 357 bin full. In dashboard, we can see the output. We can see the distance is 357 and status is bin full. When I decrease the distance to 151, it will be displayed as 151 and the status will be displayed as bin can be used. When I decrease the distance to 2, in order dashboard it can be displayed as 2. This is all about my project. Here the main problem is overflowing of waste. For this we are implementing smart city waste management system with connected trash cans. There have always been a case of overflowing trash from the bins, causing havoc in the surroundings. With the presence of this waste management system, the user is alerted when the trash can is full so as to take the necessary action. The bin status is sent to a web app through cloud, which makes the real-time monitoring a possible case for the users. The benefit of the smart city waste management are efficient waste collection, improved cleanliness, reduced environmental impact, public health benefits, reduced overflowing and littering, and real-time data and analytics. Thank you.